screen guard. Today, we are going to introduce the alarm tag to you. The alarm tag is applicable to merchandise such as handbags, shoes, clothes, and toolkits. It can be conveniently installed on various merchandise for protection via a lanyard. It is suitable for all types of stores and can be reused repeatedly. The anti-theft function of the self-sounding label is very powerful. According to your needs, it can provide 2 or 3 levels of alarm functions, including alarm when passing through the antenna, alarm of the antenna tag when passing through the antenna, alarm for wire breakage. Some special tags also support 4 levels of alarm. Alarm for non-special unlocking device. It provides all-round protection for the safety of your goods. When installing the alarm tag, just pass the lanyard through the commodity and insert it into the tag to complete the installation. When removing it, use the unlocking device to unlock and it can be taken off. The operation is simple and easy to understand. The alarm tag adopts high-strength steel wire ropes to ensure strength and durability. It can use lanyards of various lengths for the convenience of different merchandise. It optimizes the alarm sound effect. The long-lasting battery ensures the stable operation of the device for a long time. We can customize your logo. Thank you for watching.